today I'm going to be notifying some points and tips you can use to get your videos better. Well, I am not trying to brag if you think my videos are the best. These tips are about bloopers. So, bloopers are something that everyone gets. Video is a sad team. Think sad. Don't get confused if you get bloopers. Just cut and film again. Use video editors to cut the bad things out. The tips are about mistakes. You are doing a tutorial and you make a mistake.